Nung nagbayad ako ng 6,000,
Abay
umiyak ako.
oh, what is
Nagbayad
that?
ako dahil din sa hindi ako nag-pay attention kung kumpleto ba yung T4. Tapos may T4, A, ano ba yun? T4 A1 ba yun?
For A.
T4A, tapos may agency na, may isang T4 na nakaligtaan.
Oh, yeah. And then you were reassessed.
Ma-reassess ako, tapos audit.
Yep. Oh, it's an audit.
Yung experience ko doon sa nagbayad ako ng tax, yun ang memorable experience ko.
Ang sakit sa dibdib. Ang sakit sa dibdib. Huwag kang mag-alala, sister, di ka nag-iisa. Okay?
Masakit sa bangsyon.
Pero the following tax season kasi dapat mabayaran yung within 1 year. So, sumama sa bills ko yung parang kinompute nila 300 per month.
Okay.
Tapos yung dumating na sulat, natakot ako kasi parang yung sulat it's like very, I feel like I'm really, yung legally sound letter na. Oh.
Yeah. Because that's how the CRA communicates with us. Okay. Kaya I want you to share your experience because at the end of this, we'll see how we're gonna approach these things. Okay. But yeah, sister, thank you for sharing that. I know may mga experience tayong lahat, but don't worry. I told you, hindi ka nagsasolo sa ganyang experience. So, anyways, let's cut Sister Shawnee and let's go to Sister Maria.